Hi there and welcome. My goal in this video is to show you how to cut curves without color using the print and cut feature. In one of my previous videos, I showed you several methods on how to incorporate curved lines. I'll link it here. This video adds to that video. To demonstrate the no color cut using the print and cut feature, I'm going to create matchbook style note cards. This is just another creative way to incorporate and cut curves into your design. So who's ready? Let's get started. Open Design Space and start a new project. Select a square and make the size 3 by 8.75. Change the color to white. And now place the square on the X and Y axis at 0. Next, I'm going to select a score line and make the length 3. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees and duplicate it. I'm going to select one of the score lines and place it on the X-axis at 0 and the Y-axis at 2.75. I'm going to place the other score line on the X-axis at 0 and the Y-axis at 5.75. Now I'm going to select all and group. Now I'm going to make a curve using the parentheses. Select text. Then hold down the Shift key on the keyboard and click on 0 for the right parenthesis. It doesn't matter if you choose the left or the right parenthesis, both will work. And as you can see, this is a basic cut. I'm going to change the style to writing. And now the operation changes to pen for drawing. Now make the width 0.5. And the height 2. And rotate it 90 degrees. Place it on the X-axis at 0.5 and the Y-axis at 6. Select all and then group all together. Add text on the back and a simple design on the front. This middle section is the back, so I will add text here. I'm going to be using the Cricut Sans font, the style, writing, and the font size 10. Place this text on the Y-axis at 4.135 to center it vertically. I will center this horizontally later. Now I'm just going to change the color of the text. For the front, create a design that the machine will draw. So I'm going to select a circle. And right now the circle is set to cut. I want it to draw. So I'm going up to operation to change that to pen. And I'm going to change the color of this as well. Make the size 1.5. Select a heart. change the operation from a cut to pen for drawing. And I'm going to change the color. Make the width 1. Create a curve line. I'm going to use the squiggle to create it by selecting Shift and the squiggle key on my keyboard. So I'm going to text, select Shift and the squiggle key on the keyboard. Now, if the style is not already set to writing, you want to change that to writing so that the operation changes to pen for drawing. Make the width 1.5. And I'm also going to change the color. Select all 3. I'm going to center and then group. And then rotate 180 degrees. Place this on the y-axis at 0.645. Now select all. And center horizontally. And then attach. Now here's the trick to get the machine to cut this curve at the bottom with no color. I'm going over to the layers panel and I'm going to select the curve that I made, and I'm going to change the operation from pen to cut, which will change it to a print then cut, and then I'm going to change the color to white. This way, the curve will not print. However, the registration border that the machine reads will print, along with any other images that you have set to print before cutting. I will suggest creating your design first. Make this your final step to change the color of your curved cut lines to white, because you can easily lose track of where they are. They won't be visible on the canvas, meaning you would need to heavily rely on the layers panel to find them. Before selecting Make It, always check your layers panel to ensure the correct operations are set. So what I'm going to do now is duplicate a line. I'll select Make It, and I'll be back later to show you the results. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed what I've shared, give it a positive like, drop a comment, and subscribe. Also, if you have a topic suggestion on what you would like to see, drop them in the comment section below. Remember, stay positive, appreciate your progress, and I'll see you in the next video.